Friends, welcome everyone. Drishti IAS UPPCS Prelim Test Series Test number 13 Part 2 2024 is here. In this video, we will provide you to the test series designed for the UPPCS Prelims examination. Our aim is help you to prepare effectively by offering a comprehensive assessment of your knowledge and understanding of the syllabus. We will cover key topics, provide insight the exam pattern and give you tips on how to approach the test. Make sure to stay connected. Valuable information that can enhance your preparation and boost your confidence for upcoming exam. In previous video we discussed question number 1 to 50 and we will continue from question number 51. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and this paper is available on our Telegram channel, link in the description box. Let's start it. Question number 51. With reference to the Government of India Act 1919, which of the following statement is the correct? First, it is introduced Daiichi at the center. No. Second statement, the act for the first time separated the provincial and central budget. Yes. According to the code number 2 only second statement is true. Option number B. Question number 52. The Sadler Commission was related to option number A, education. Question number 53. Which of the following countries recently passed a bill permitting prisoners to join the military? Option B, Ukraine. Question number 54. Who among the following won the Goldman Environmental Prize 2024? Option A, Alok Shukla. Question number 55. Which state government recently launched the Ramlala Darshan scheme? Option B, Chhattisgarh. Question number 56. Which of the following members of Lok Sabha have been selected for Sansad Ratna Award 2024? Sukanta Muzamdar? Yes. Kuldeep Rai Sharma? Yes. Rajiv Pratap Reddy? No. Anurag Thakur? No. So option A only 1 and 2 is correct. Question number 57. The International Purple Fest 2024 was held at option number B, Goa. Question number 58. The mobile application eSakshi has been launched by which of the following ministries? Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Question number 59. Which of the following state recently launched the Schools on Wheel initiative? Option C, Manipur. Question number 60. The first country to lose all the glacier is option D, Venezuela. Question number 61. Which of the following state has launched the Sadak Suraksha Force? Option B, Punjab. Question number 62. A new species of the kangaroo lizard has recently discovered in option D, Western Ghat. Question number 63. Apurti portal in Uttar Pradesh is associated with option number C, Food and Civil Supplies Department. Question number 64. The main objective of Nivesh Mitra system in Uttar Pradesh is option D, to enable ease of doing business in Uttar Pradesh. Question number 65. Who among the following is the present Advocate General of Uttar Pradesh? Option D, Ajay Kumar Mishra. Question number 66. Which of the following individual was recently elected as the President of the Paralympic Committee of India? Option A, Devendra Jhajharia. Which of the following organizations have collaborated to enable a unified payment interface UPI for cross-border transaction between India and Nepal? Option B, NPCI International Payment Limited, NIPL, and PhonePe Payment Service Limited. Question number 68. Who among the following was crowned Miss World 2024? Option A, Kristania Saikazokova. Question number 69. Which of the following is the provision Charter Act is not correctly matched? Option A, distinguish between the commercial and political function of the company, Charter Act of 1793. Question number 70. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. A का यूनियन पावर कमेटी इज जवाहरलाल नेहरू, प्रोविजन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कमेटी इज सरदार पटेल, and drafting committee is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, and last rules of procedure committee is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option number C. Question number 71. Consider the following events and arrange these in correct chronological order starting from the earliest to the last activity. फर्स्ट आएगा हमारे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टेट गुजरात, फिर उसके बाद आएगा फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ नागालैंड, देन आएगा फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टेट हरियाणा, फिर लास्ट में आएगा हमारी लास्ट ऑप्शन 4 फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द स्टेट सिक्किम. अकॉर्डिंग टू फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट कोड नंबर डी इज करेक्ट. थर्ड, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, देन फोर्थ. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other is reason are. First assertion is the fundamental rights part 3rd of the Constitution is described as Magna Carta of India. Yes, it is correct. Reason, it is prevent the establishment of an authorization and despotic rule in the country and protect the liberties and freedoms of the people against the invention by the state. Yes, it is also correct. According to both assertion and reason, both are true, but reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 73. With reference to the protection of interest of minorities, Article 29, which of the following statement is correct? It provides both religions and linguistic minorities with the right to preserve their distinct language, script and culture. Yes, political speech or promises made to support the prevention of language by a group of citizens do not constitute a corrupt practice under the Representation of the People Act 1951. Wrong. So code number A, only one is correct. Question number 74. Sorry. I repeated question number 73 once again. With the reference to the protection of interest of minorities, Article 29, which of the following statement is correct? It provides both religious and linguistic minorities with the right to preserve their distinct linguistic of culture. Yes, it is right. Political and speeches or promises made to support the prevention of a language by a group of citizens do not constitute a corrupt practice under the Representation of the People Act 1951. It is also correct statement. So both 1 and 2 are correct. Code number C is correct answer. Question number 74. With reference to the writs, which of the following statement is correct? Only the Supreme Courts and High Courts can issue the writs in India. Yes, the President of India can empower any other court to issue the right. No. So option C, only one is correct. The concept of martial law has been borrowed in India from option C, the English common law. Important note, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and this paper is available on our Telegram channel, link in the description box. Question number 76. Who among the following has described the directive principle and the fundamental right as the conscience of the Constitution? Option D, Granville Austin. Question number 77. Which of the following provision cannot be amended by a simple majority of 2 houses of parliament? Option B, representation of states in parliament. Question number 78. In which of the following case the Supreme Court held that the Indian Constitution is founded on the bedrock of the balance between the fundamental rights and the directive principle? Option C, Minerva Mills case in 1980. Question number 79. With the reference to the zonal council, which of the following statement is correct? The zonal council are the constitutional bodies. No. The Home Minister of central government is the chairman of each zonal council. Yes. So according to both statements, only option number B is correct, only 2. Question number 80. With reference to the Contingency Fund of India, which of the following statement is correct? The Parliament enacted the the Contingency Fund of India Act in 1947? No. The fund is held by Finance Secretary on behalf of the President? Yes. So, option number B, only 2 is correct. Question number 81. With the reference to the financial emergency, which of the following statement is correct? First, Article 360 empower the President to proclaim the financial emergency. Yes. Second statement, the 42nd Amendment Act of 1975 made the certification of the President in declaring a financial emergency final and conclusive and not questionable in any court on any ground. Wrong. So only one statement is correct, option A. With the reference to the Attorney General for India, which of the following statement is correct? First, she or he is the highest law officer in the country. Yes. The term of office of the Attorney General has been fixed by the Constitution. No. Option A is correct. Question number 83. Which of the following candidates won the presidential election unopposed in India? Option C, N. Sanjeeva Reddy. Question number 84. With reference to the ordinance making power of the President, which of the following statement is correct? According to Article 121 of the Constitution, empower the President to promulgate ordinance during the recess of Parliament. No. Second statement, it is the most important legislative power of the President. Yes. Option number B is correct, only B. Question number 85. Match list 1 with list 2. Select the correct answer using the code given below the list. List 1 फर्स्ट का होगा कॉम्यूटेशन का सब्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ वन फॉर्म ऑफ पनिशमेंट फॉर अ लाइटर फॉर्म. बी का होगा रीमेशन का. थर्ड, reducing the period of sentence without changing its character. Respite का होगा. Second, awarding a lesser sentence in place of one originally awarded due to some special fact. And last, reprieve का option 4, stay of the execution of sentence, especially that of death temporary period. Code number A1, B3, C2, D4. Option A. Question number 86. With reference to the qualification of Vice President of India, which of the following statement is correct? He/she should have completed 30 years of age. Wrong. He/she should be qualified for election as member of the Lok Sabha. No. Neither one nor two. Option of D. Question number 87. With reference of the Council of Ministers, which of the following statement is correct? The total number of ministers, including Prime Minister, in the Council of Ministers shall not exceed 15% of the total strength of the Lok Sabha. Yes. Second statement, the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. No. Option A, only one is correct. Question number 88. The term cabinet was inserted in Article 352 of the Constitution by option C, 44th Constitutional Amendment Act. Which of the following discontinuous between layer is correctly matched? Option A, cornered with continental and oceanic crust. Question number 90. Which of the following iron ore mines state is not correctly matched? Option B, Goa with Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following organisms' respiratory structure is correctly matched? Option A, man with lungs. 92. Which of the following is a viral vector vaccine? Option C, Covishield. Question number 93. Which of the following is a self-pollinating plant? Option D, mustard. Question number 94. Pollination brought about by bat is called cryptophily. Question number 95. Which of the following is the highest mountain peak in the African continent? Option C, Mount Kilimanjaro. Question number 96. The Sea of Azov is located between which of the following countries? Option D, Russia and Ukraine. Question number 97. The river Mandakini and Alaknanda meet at which of the following places? Option C, Rudraprayag. Question number 98. Lu, a hot wind, flows in northern India is the outcome of option D, advection. Question number 99. The highest tide in the world occur in which of the following countries? Option A, Canada. Question number 100. The cool temperate western margin is known as option B, British type of climate. Thank you everyone. That's all for today. And important note, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and this paper is available on our Telegram channel and link in the description box. Thank you once again.